Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see every game you've ever bought on your Xbox One. So let's go up to top, go to settings right here, and then go on down to where it says account, go to payment and billing. Then go to order history. So you can see it right here, just select this, and then we're going to be brought to this page. And hopefully it loads at some point for you. But we can go to show all, and we can go to all available. And we can see every game we ever bought. So we can go to maybe like return, digital, physical, or pre-orders, depending on the category. If I scroll through this list, you can see even when you bought like Ultimate or your games. The latest thing I bought was some HEVC video extension, I think for my iPhone on the my laptop. But let's go on down to my first game I ever bought. It is Minecraft for Windows 10, redeemed. Then Minecraft for my Xbox One, I think. So my 360 stuff is not on here, unfortunately. I don't see anything on there. But you can go into the game and just see if anything was, purchased by accident. But this is how you do it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.